Has your hot water heater stopped heating? Heating. We're gonna show you how to fix it. All right, guys, we got a faulty hot water heater, 20 years old, gave up the ghost. How do we know? It was leaking water out of the bottom, right there. Tank compromised. All right, so what we're gonna do, we attached a water hose to the outlet port, turned off the water at the water supply, cracked the pop-off valve, open the hose valve, and we're gonna drain it. Sometimes you gotta resort to the old-fashioned way. If your hose sucks and it's kinked up, just pop that valve all the way out and get you a bucket and a brother to tote the bucket.
Make sure you always have a big brother to know how to do everything.
Fucking damn it. Okay, next step after draining the tank is we're going to shut the gas off down here at this little gas valve. We're going to disconnect the gas line from the gas valve, and then we're going to disconnect the water lines. Yay. Alrighty, so we removed the gas line. It's gone. Alright, moving on up. Next, we're going to disconnect those two boogers and we'll be done. We're going to remove this old tank and put the new one in. It's always nice when you have little treats left for you. Are those Tic Tacs? So the water lines are in. We did run into one little problem. We forgot to check the washers on these things, and one is damaged. So we're crossing our fingers and hoping that it doesn't leak. If it leaks, we're gonna have to undo it and make another run back to the parts store. Next, we're gonna reconnect the gas line, and just so you know how awesome this is. Yay! One thing you need to make sure you use correctly, like on the water, you use Teflon tape. See the white stuff? On your gas lines, you use PTFE tape, specially made for gas lines. It's yellow. See?
And it doesn't break down when in contact with gas.
Yeah, just don't ask questions. Just do what I tell you. All right, when you turn the water on, you gotta make sure you crack open that pop-off valve to release the pressure while it's filling. Once a little water starts trickling out of that thing, flip that little switch back down and you're good to go. Alrighty, just follow the instructions on the tank for lighting after you've connected everything. And as you see, we got it going. We're gonna put that little safety cover on the bottom there, let it fill up, and that's a done deal, guys. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to connect the vent. Make sure you put the little tabbies down in the little tab slots. Put the little thingy, screw thing in there. Make sure your gaps are connected. Your, what do you call them things? Seams?
Yeah.
Seams. Make sure your seams are still connected and you're good all the way back out to your main vent pipe. Alright, look, wait. And the bonus is, with this left over, you can build a fort. That's what I'm talking about. I love your fort, Jeremy.
Go away!
That's my fort.
This is my fort! No girls allowed!
Well, today I showed you how to replace a hot water heater. Really nothing to it. My record was 20 minutes. It took 45 on this one. It was pretty dark in there. Next question is, what do you charge them? Well, in this case, nothing, because it was Mama's house. Anyway, with help from my little brother and moral support from my mama, we got it done. Thanks.